Circulation in the Mountains Valley, 1500 feet. Going from.
Okay, can everyone hear everybody?
Yeah, Rich.
1, 2. Yep. Good.
Oh, it feels good not to be flying, just sit and watch.
I like it, to be honest. I don't mind going passenger sometimes.
Great.
You see things that normally you wouldn't see. That is really loud.
It is, isn't it? Do these checks here. We'll do the pre-takeoff stuff whilst everything's warming up.
PA28, uniform 10.
Right, trimmer is set for takeoff. Throttle friction is finger tight. Mixture is rich. Mags are on both. Master is on. Ditto heat's not required. Primer is locked. Fuel is on. Left hand tank. Contents are good. Fuel pump goes on. Flaps are up. Hatches harness is good. Shoulder straps on.
Yeah, it's loose as.
No.
Oh, sorry, 15-year-old. Right, what's your language, child?
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah, skill gear things on.
Okay, radios are set. Tower, radar. You've got the radios anyway.
Yeah.
You're looking after them. Hatches harnesses are secure. Everything in. Now set to cold. Controls full and free. It will be.
Well, I'll just take this down a bit.
Okay, everything looks good on that. Right, we're into wind. Parking brake is on. Change to the fuller tank, right hand tank, quantity is good.
Liverpool Tower, good evening, Scott Whiskey, Alpha Romeo Whiskey, holding that kilo, PA28, with information, kilo request clearance for taxi and departure.
Golf Whiskey, Alpha Romeo Whiskey, Liverpool Tower, good afternoon, hold on kilo at departure, leads from Manchester, north of altitude 1,500 feet VFR, squawk 5050.
Hold position at kilo and after departure, cleared to leave this control zone via Chester, not above 1,500 feet VFR, and squawk 5050, Golf Whiskey, Alpha Romeo Whiskey.
Golf Romeo Whiskey, correct taxi, holding point Golf, runway 27, QNH 1030.
Taxi, holding point Golf for runway 27 and QNH 1030, Golf Whiskey, Alpha Romeo Whiskey.
Say hello, Chloe. Oh, Owen.
Is that Chloe?
It says yeah.
Alright, he's trying to overcame this tower last week.
Oh, hi.
Yes!
Okay. Then to the left, compass decreasing, DI decreasing, wing to left, ball to the right. AI is stable. ADF's tracking. And turn to the right. Compass increasing, DI increasing, wing to the right, ball to the left, AI is stable.
Ready?
Golf Romeo Whiskey, via Golf, westbound left turn out, runway 27, clear for takeoff, surface wind 300 degrees 14 knots.
Right, Golf, clear for takeoff 27 with a left hand turn out, Golf Romeo Whiskey.
Approach is clear, transponder can go on.
What time is it?
Lights going on. Well, everyone good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alrighty. Okay, T's and P's are in the green, airspeed's coming alive. $60, $70.
Ryanair 4081, your CTOT has come forward slightly to 1525.
1525, Ryanair 4081, thank you very much.
That's not bad up here, is it?
Alright, innit?
What was the spot winds?
Didn't see, mate.
Be 25, 30, won't it?
Scottish, we're going into sun, aren't we?
Yeah. Down there, it's alright.
Golf, Romeo Whiskey, contact Liverpool radar 119.855.
Contact radar 119855, Golf Romeo Whiskey, bye.
Golf India Sierra Alpha Romeo, Liverpool radar, good afternoon, vectoring ILS approach, runway 27, you are number 1, no ATC speed restriction, information kilo is current.
Okay, copy back to ILS runway 27, number 1, and information kilo Golf Alpha Romeo.
Liverpool radar, good afternoon, it's Golf Whiskey Alpha Romeo Whiskey with you, routed towards Chester.
Golf Whiskey Alpha Romeo Whiskey, Liverpool radar, good afternoon, report leaving the zone at Chester.
Report leaving the zone at Chester, Golf Whiskey Alpha Romeo Whiskey.
Golf Alpha Romeo, continue descent to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1030.
Descent to altitude 5,000 feet with QNH 1030, Golf Alpha Romeo.
Wind shoving us south. No, sorry, shoving us east. Try and get a low pass at sleap.
Yeah, I'll put a sleap in the box, so.
See if they'll let us do a low pass at sleap. Good. Well, let's say let us, we can do what we want at sleap, to be honest. We don't want to upset any traffic or anything, do we?
No, I mean a busy club aircraft.
Yeah.
Also, I down Welshpool way, don't
Golf Alpha Romeo, continue on your present heading, report that heading.
Okay, that makes us 325 degrees, Golf Alpha Romeo.
Roger.
So, if we're going straight to sleep, we get rid of that. Do you want magnetic heading of 180? Direct south.
Okay. Stay a bit misty, yeah. You done much Navix yet, James?
One, Shrewsbury.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Down there.
Oh, we're heading that way now.
Golf Mike Sierra, runway vacated, repositioning to hangar.
Mike Sierra, roger, thanks.
Is the landing aircraft going touch and go, or full stop landing?
No, he's doing a flyby, Nigel, so he's clearing the runway now.
Oh, that's fantastic. Good. Thanks very much. Just about to turn final.
Golf Uniform Kilo is downwind, 23 left hand to land.
So, fucking brilliant how they flybys. That's on the Whiskey, we're climbing away now. We'll head straight to the west to Welshpool. Hope we've not been too much of a pain, and Happy New Year to you all.
Romeo Whiskey, you're more than welcome. Happy New Year to you. Bye.
Copy check, say now is on final.
Yeah, right. That's something you don't do on your lessons, James.
Degrees, 8 knots.
Welshpool is out here.
Sun's hard work, innit, mate?
Yeah. Doing a good job, mate.
Oh, you wouldn't want to be here in shitty weather, eh?
No.
Right, should we get a stage a flap?
Romeo Whiskey shot final for 04.
Romeo Whiskey.
What do you mean about it being?
Valley 1500 feet. Off unit.
It's got a Golf Long Whiskey going around.
Yeah, Romeo Whiskey, roger.
Good call. Get it right next time.
Welshpool Golf in the Tangos.
It was,
descending on the dead side. We'll do an orbit to the east. Is that okay? Lima Tango, roger. There's one aircraft in the valley there, but nothing else now. Traffic information copied. Golf Lima Tango.
Cheers, about the car vehicle.
Lima Tango.
Yeah, it's this runway, 04,
Yeah.
that someone landed a Cessna and landed it too late and didn't go around. And she went through the hedge and into the road.
No, I don't want that shit. It's a tight circuit, isn't it? Because you can't see, you can't see the hillside.
So where?
That's the problem with it. We call it again.
Golf Long Whiskey, final 04.
Romeo Whiskey, wind light and variable.
If anything, I'd rather come in a little flat than a little.
Yeah.
It's better. Fucking duck. Fucking duck on the runway. You see that fucking thing?
Wow, no.
Fucking pheasant on the runway.
Nice landing though.
Romeo Whiskey, vacating next left for parking.
Romeo Whiskey.
Oh, cheer up, please.
Where's he want us to park?
You know me, just park here.
Just on the
Yeah,
handstand,
just-
innit?
Yeah. Right, spin it around and then that's the... Can't imagine having many visitors tonight.
No. Just stick it here, shall we?